It's so nice and it's the best. I love this Sofia wall cover. And I love this pillow. Thank you so much.
What else do you like in this room?
I like the bunk bed. I like the bunk bed and the butterfly lights and all the pictures. Thank you so much, and my cupboard too.
Okay.
And the window. Thank you.
Okay, can you say it once more what all you like?
And the door and the carpet is so nice and soft.
Okay, and
And
do you
the
want
drawers.
to play on the bunk board?
Yes. The bunk bed is very lovely and cozy. Thank you so much.
And what about the butterfly?
And I love the butterfly lights.
Oh, wow.
And the cupboard, thank you. And he's got.
Very good. Chalo, bye.
Bye.